Very good.
Hello, Priya. Priya,
1 minute, Viju.
looks like he has to. Oh, okay, okay. Um, looks like I'm into a different group in Anikiram, Priya.
Hi, Viju.
Looks like I'm into a different group in Anikiram.
இல்லை விஜு அவன் இன்னும் லாகினே பண்ணலையே.
So then you do the okay, okay, okay. Hmm. They said they'll be joining around 3:15, but 2 minutes இருக்கு. Let's wait.
Let's. Oh, did they say?
ஆமா 3:15 join பண்ண. That is their time.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. First of all, algebra 1 classக்கு join பண்ணல பாரு யாரும்.
நான் log off பண்ணிட்டு வா. I'll join after.
எப்ப பண்றேன்?
I don't mind staying, but நீ சொல்லு.
ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
நான் மியூட்லுக்கு போயிடுவா.
ஒரு நிமிஷம். Lasya, how difficult it is for you to come on Thursdays? Ma, I'm also wondering what to do about this class.
It's okay. It's fine.
No, see, if Adin is joining, okay, on the weeks when you both come, I have no problem. Since I agreed, I would like to keep moving as well this way. But my problem is, only 2 are coming, then I would want you to both join Thursdays. But let's see, ma. We'll go as it is. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. How are you, Adin?
Good.
Okay, what are you doing in school?
On Friday we had a test on functions.
How did you do?
I think I did good.
How about you, ma? What are you doing in school?
We had a test on slope intercept from Friday.
Oh, you're going slow, looks like, right, Alasya?
We finished functions a while ago.
School, you guys are going slowly, which in a way is good for us, but at the same time, I want to move on. Let's see what I did in the other course. Okay, you know what? Are you doing the homework? Did you take all the timed tests, ma? The test 1, 2, 3.
I'm pretty sure I took all of them.
What, ma?
I'm pretty sure I took all of them.
How about you, Adyan? Did you take the test?
I didn't know there was a test. Wait, was there?
Okay, wait, did I put it? I'm checking it. Oh, okay. Oh, you're getting it from the other class, Amma? Last year? Are you? Yeah, there was test, right? All the tests I have pasted here as
Yeah,
well, Adyan. Are you looking at the Google Classroom, Adyan?
Yeah.
There are time tests that I have given. There are 3 good tests that I have given. Okay, let's see. Okay, next I'm going to move on to transformations, but I want to verify where you guys are once more. Okay, let's see. Let me give you some problems from here. Let me see how you're writing the domain range and the different types of. See this one. Based on contextual scenarios, I would like you to write out the domain and range. Let's see, guys. All seats are $18. So the revenue generated is given by 18 times S. S is the number of attendees. The hall expects between 150 to 400 attendees. Would you be able to write the domain and range for me for this function? It's just a review.
Priya, looks like Shihari has joined.
Shihari is in, okay. Shall I break you to the breakout room?
Yeah, that should be good.
Sure. Guys, did you get the answers? 1 second. You have the assignment, right, Vijayshri?
The homework, inequality, equations.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, bye, ma'am. Go ahead. Did you send, ma? Yeah, I got one answer last year. Nice, Lasya. Is it a discrete function or a continuous function, ma? Discrete. Very nice. So, Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah, I was gonna do it.
Yeah, I'm going to wait for you. Send it.
Okay. Should I just tell my answer aloud because she already answered?
Sure. Sure.
Is it so is there are they both all real numbers or?
No, right? See, it can contain only from 150 to 400 as attendees means X can vary from 150, 151, 152 to 400 attendees.
Yeah, that's the
That's the domain.
yeah, and then the range is
Range is what? 18 times that, right?
Yeah.
18 times 150. It goes on till 18 times 400. Make sense?
yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you one or two more problems and then I'm going to move on. Okay. So let's see this one. How about this? I really want to give you questions on. Let's see this one. How about this? Yeah. Would you be able to write out this for me? This is just a review, guys. Nothing else I'm doing. Yeah. Quickly do. I'll be back. புரியுதா class?
Yeah.
ஆன்சர் பண்ணி கூட அப்பப்போ. Want to move to transformations? Did you get it, Lasya? Adyan, I want you to answer, Adyan.
The question's not on the board.
Oh, wow. I didn't see. Sorry. Did I erase it?
I
Huh?
You did.
Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to, guys. Sorry. Go ahead.
Now I can see it.
Yeah, I put it back.
Mm.
But please be quick. Write R in terms of D. Not a hard one, right? Quick, guys.
What if put more than full values like A comma B, and but then the actual input dot split value that you're unpacking has 3 instead.
Adyan, you have to write an equation, right, Adyan? Adyan, you need to be writing equations.
Oh. Oh, okay. Do you want me to write the equation?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did want transformations. See.
Very thanks.
Good job, ma. Is it? Okay. What did you get last year? What did you get, Adyan?
I sent it.
But is it not? See, 12 GB is remaining and it is using data means from the 12 you need to subtract, right, Adyan?
Oh, yeah.
But here you cannot use Y and X. You have to use what? D and R.
Oh,
You got it?
yeah.
Okay. You want to go to transformations. Did they start transformation summa for you? No. Lasya?
No, not yet.
Okay. Can you think about it? Let's say, what is this equation? What is the line equation called? What is the line equation called? Think about what is the line equation. I can give you. What is the line equation called?
Is it linear?
That is linear. But what is this equation called?
Oh,
Write the
yeah,
equation.
the math thing.
I will write out the points. You are going to write the equation. Write the line equation for this, both of you. Really want to write the line equation.
Priya,
Mhm.
were you when you asked what kind of like line it was, were you expecting direct variation?
I just need y in terms of x mark.
Oh, that was, I'm sorry.
Y in terms of X. I can help if you want to. Think about it. Write down the table, then you'll be able to get it. Write down the table, you'll be able to get it. Write down the table. Can I help? Can I help or you guys got it? That is right, Lasya. Can we write the table for this one? X, Y. So this is -2, -2, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, 1. What is the equation, Adyan?
Would it be y2 minus y1 equal
What is
over?
the equation of the line? What is the relationship between Y and X?
Oh, the relationship. It's multiplying by 1.
So what is it? What is the equation? What is the rule?
Y equal to x times 1.
Yep, Y equal to X, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to discuss transformations.
Oh,
What transformation you've studied in 7th grade? What transformations you've studied in 7th grade? Lasya, you can say as well.
Reflection.
Reflection. Then what?
Board, open square bracket, I,
What
close
else?
square bracket.
Translation. Then rotation. Correct, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Now, let's say I want to move this line 2 units to the right. This point will come here. This point will move 2 units to the right. This point will move 2 units to the right. Right? This point, what will happen to this point? It will move 2 units to the right. This point will move 2 units to the right. So the line will become like this. Are you all with me?
Yeah.
So I move 2 units to the right, meaning I move, when you think about it, whatever was at 0, let's consider only the y-axis. Whatever was 0, moved 2 units down, correct? So I will write this equation as y equal to x plus 2, meaning on the y-axis, I added a 2. Any questions on that? If I move 2 if I move 2 units to the wait. I'm going to consider the x-axis. I move 2 units to the right, correct? Correct. So what happens on the y-axis? If I move 2 units to right, I'm moving 2 units, 2 to right, correct? What I'm doing on the y-axis, Lasya? I'm moving 2 units down or up?
Down.
Down. So I'm subtracting 2 on the y, right? Can I write the equation like this, Lasya? Did you get it?
Yeah.
I just, whatever, see, y had excess its value. Now I'm subtracting 2 from the y. Whatever value it had, I'm subtracting a 2. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Yeah.
Now I have a question to you guys. What happened on the x-axis? What happened on the x-axis?
It moved 2 to the right.
Huh?
It moved 2 points to the right.
Yeah, correct, Ma. But when you think about it, when you look at the equation, right, when I subtracted 2, then means it is moving right 2 units. Right? When it is subtracting, looking at the y-axis, It is moving down. Both are one and the same. Did you see that? Did you see that? Moving down 2 units, the line is the same as moving right 2 units. Make sense?
Mhm.
Suppose I want to move this line 2 units to the left. I want to move 2 units to the left. I am moving 2 units to the left. What happens to the line? How will I write my equation? See the y-axis. It goes up. Can I write y equal to x plus 2? The plus 2 indicates up 2 units. But when you see on the x-axis, what did I do? Is the same as left 2 units. Make sense? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So always think about the y-axis first. Suppose if I give you y equal to x plus 14, what is the movement? Up, down, left, right, which is correct? Which is correct, guys?
Left.
1 second. Okay, now let's go ahead. What is x plus 14, guys? Y equal to x plus 14. Where the movement has occurred, you tell me. This line moved where? This is our y equal to x. This line is sometimes called the parent linear function. You know that? You know what is it called? Why it is called parent linear function? This is our base function. It's a line function. Linear means line function. Parent linear function. Now, if I say y equal to x plus 14, what happens to the line? What happens to the line?
It moves 14 units up.
The line moved.
14 units up.
Ah, good. The line moved 14 units up on the y-axis. Up 14 units. What is the other way of telling it?
14 units to the left on the axis.
Yep, 14 units left. Did you get it? Or you can say 14 units left. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Sometimes they are very clear in giving this. If they have a parenthesis, right, you can always say only with respect to left or right x-axis. Whatever is inside the parenthesis, you have to say only for the x-axis. Make sense? Meaning, if they give it to you like this, you don't need to get confused. You have to say this only. 14 units left. You got it? Make sense, ma? Suppose if they give it to you like this without the parenthesis, you can either say this or say this. Answer can be either. Make sense?
Yeah.
How about this? Y equal to x minus 3. What happens here? Adyan, you want to say what happens here? Lasya, you want to say here? Think about a line or parent line, parent linear function. What happened to that line? Minus 6 means what happened? What are you doing on the y? Always think on the y-axis term. There are no parentheses. It's good for you to think on the y-axis term.
Bottom two. Oh, I forgot to take that out. Oops. I literally just forgot to take that out. It works. I forgot to take that the double.
Go ahead. Lasya, you can tell. Oh, did you send them out? I don't know.
That's
That's
it.
Good job. 6 units down and 6 units right. Good job. Adyan, I didn't get an answer. Oh, yeah, I got it. Adyan. Yeah, 3 units down. But if you think, if I ask you to say only about the x-axis, what will you say? You move this 3 units down, right, Adyan?
Yeah.
On the x-axis, what happened?
You moved 3 units right.
Yeah, you have to think about like that. Yes. Got it, guys? Now suppose this line, right? I reflect it on the x-axis. I reflect it on the x-axis. See what happens. Reflection means what? This part of the line. When it gets reflected on the x-axis, what happens? It becomes this. Right, guys? Lassie, are you with me?
Yes.
This part of the line. When I reflect it on the x-axis, it will go like this, right?
Yeah.
So my new line, transformed line is this. You got it? You know what is the equation of that line? What is the equation of that line? Who
Y,
can tell me? Hmm?
y is equal to negative x.
Ah, see, the addition of a negative means there is a reflection. Make sense? You got it? But the thing is, guys, let's consider reflection on the x-axis is different from y-axis. Suppose the same line, you reflect it on the y-axis, what happens? This part, when it gets reflected, becomes this. This part, when it gets reflected, becomes this. So whether you reflect a line on the x-axis or the y-axis, it's just the same. Did you see that? Only the negative gets added. Did you understand now? So, but how will you differentiate? If they give you this, if they give you this question, will you tell it's a reflection on the x-axis or the y-axis? Both are one and the same, right? For a line, it's one and the same. But for a point, if you reflect this point, let's say this is 2, 1. Reflect the point on the x-axis. What happens to the point?
Would it be negative 2 and negative 1?
Properly think and tell. Then take your time, but think and tell.
Oh.
You can send the points in chat.
Oh, it would. Oh, in chat. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Did you get it, ma?
Far beyond the sky. Very end of the world. Happy coding and
Good
happy
job.
fun.
When you
Definitely,
reflect it
that's
on
not
the
very
x-axis, right, Lasya? What is the point, Adyan? What is the point when you reflect it on the y-axis?
Would it be 2 and negative 1?
Yes, see, when you reflect it on the x-axis, the y coordinate is negated. The other way it happens. When you reflect this point on the y-axis, what is the point? What is the point? Minus 2,
It would
see?
be 10. Yeah.
Yeah, when you reflect it on the y-axis, the x value is negated. When you reflect it on the x-axis, y value is negated. Did you get it, Lasya?
Yeah.
Now, ma, so if I have y equal to minus x, so always if the negative is inside the parenthesis like this, I mean I am negating the x value. So what is this reflection? If you, when you think about the points, right, 2, 1. If I reflect it on the x-axis, your y value was negated, correct? If you reflect it on the y-axis, it becomes what?
-2,
Comma
1.
1. Y means x value is negated. X means y value is negated. Here, you are negating the x since you're put whatever happens inside the parenthesis is only for the x-axis. So this is called reflection on which axis?
Y-axis.
Hmm?
Y-axis.
Good. Suppose if I openly put it like this, I am applying, see, y was initially x, but I am making the y value negative without the parenthesis, right? So it is a reflection on
There's one thing.
X-axis.
x-axis.
That said challenge and
Got it, guys?
Yeah.
You can say either way. See, the problem is there is no difference. Both are one and the same. Do you see it? But if there is a parenthesis, think that the x value is negated and you have to say it's a reflection on the y-axis. Make sense? How about this? What happens to this line? Our parent linear function was this. This line was transformed. What are the transformations in here? Who can tell me the transformation? Quick guys. Who can tell me the transformations?
Would it be so positive x and 1 and then
Positive.
negative x and -1?
No, I'm asking what are the transformations on that original line? What are the transformations on the original line?
Thanks.
Lasya, you want to say? Lasya, you want to say, ma?
What's the question again?
Question is, I wrote out an equation, right? What are the transformation on my original parent function? Look at whatever has happened. You have to start from the outside. Start from the outside means go from the negation. What happens? You made a negative x. So what happens here?
You reflected on the x-axis.
Yeah, so it is a reflection on, can I say y-axis? Because there's no parenthesis, right? Can I say y-axis? Reflection on y-axis, and after that, what happened?
You moved it up 1, which is the same as moving it left.
Makes sense?
Mhm.
Adin, are you getting Adin? I'm not able to see you at all. What you're doing? How will I understand?
Oh, yeah.
Bring your camera down.
Okay.
Did you understand how is this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, y equal to x is this line. How about this? Y equal to what? 2x is this line. What is the difference between the two lines?
It's rotated.
Good one. But yeah, rotation is okay. But another way of telling it is what? You're making it. Can I say you're making it steeper?
Oh,
Or
yeah.
what? With respect to the slope, how do you say that? With respect to the slope, how do you say that? Slope increases or decreases or what? Slope increases or decreases or what? Slope increases or decreases more?
The slope increase.
Slope increases. So you're making it steeper. Make sense? So when you multiply by a number greater than 1, you're making it steeper. Suppose the same line becomes this, y equal to half x. What happens here? You're making it less steep. Can I say that?
Yeah.
You're making it more steep. Make sense? But we are all becoming better. We learn more in algebra, right? Instead of saying more steep, you can say I'm stretching the line. Stretch by 2. This one, compress by half. Because half is less than 1, right? 2 is greater than 1. Make sense? You don't say less steep, more steep. Instead, you can say stretch by 2, compress by half. Make sense? How about this? If I have a line like this, go ahead, guys. What are the transformations in here?
Wait, Miss Priya, can I quickly go get water? You're muted.
Yes, ma, you can. Go
Okay.
ahead, Lasya. What are the transformations in here, Lasya? What are the transformations, Lasya?
It moved down 1, which is the same as right 1.
Don't start from downward. I said, right, you have to go from this. From
Oh.
whatever, from whatever is happening to X, you have to go. Go.
So you'd say you stretched x by 2.
What do you say? What will you say? What is the transformation? Go ahead. See, y was X. You made it to 2X. So what did you do?
You multiplied x by 2.
Yeah, but how will you say that? You're stretching it, right? Because you're multiplying a number greater than 1, stretch by 2, and then
You moved it down 1 or right 1.
down 1 is good. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Adyan, tell me what happened to this line.
Would it like so for the one it would go down, and then for the half
Mm-hmm.
x.
Mm-hmm. I want you to start from whatever happens to see the translation move up, down, right, left should be the last. You have to start from negative or multiplication.
It would be
You're making it steep or less steep. Y equal to X. Here it was 1. 1 became half. So what did you do? You compressed or
less
stretched?
steep.
Less
Right.
steep. So you compress. Compress by half. And then what did you do with the plus 1?
We go down by 1.
Go down?
Yeah.
What, Adyan? When you go up in life, you like it, it's positive. When you go down in life, it's negative. So there is a plus 1. What happened?
So it goes up.
Up by 1. Did you get it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's see this one. How about this? Which of these, tell me, a reflection? Or is it too small, guys?
Yeah,
It's
can you
very,
go bigger?
okay. I am stretching it by a factor of, I am stretching a line by a factor of 3, which is the answer, guys. Both of you send in chat. You're going to think and tell me. But you took the test already.
Pa, she meant
Then why is it B? Reflect means what? I added only to move it right, left, right?
Uh-huh.
I added only to move right, left. Here, stretch means you're making it steep or less. If you're changing the slope, so it should be multiplication, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So how about move line on y equal to x 3 units to the right? Which equation is right? A x plus 3, b x minus 3, c d minus x minus. Which one is right? Move the line y equal to x 3 units to the right. Go ahead. Did you get it? Good job, Lasya. Adyan, Megat.
Oh, it's a B. Right? Yeah.
What is it now?
B.
Good job, guys. I'm so proud, guys. I really am happy that you guys are getting it okay. Can I give you more questions? See, now I'm going to make it a little complicated. Let me make it a little complicated, guys. How about this? Yeah, this is a funny question. Try this one. This is really a funny question. This you need to think, draw, think, whatever you do. But I just need the answer. Very good. Good job. Last it right. Adyan, Again, did you already answer?
I just sent my answer.
Yes, you guys are doing great. I don't have a problem about it. Let me give you more questions now then. How about this? Yeah, this one becomes slightly tricky. This one becomes slightly tricky, but I wanted to test it out. I can give you clarification if you want it. You get it? It's a difficult one. Listen. This is a little tricky, Lasya. I'll tell you. This is little tricky. See, guys. I'm going to draw the line for you. I know you guys know.
Wait,
I'm
Miss
going to-
Priya. Is it D?
You think it's D? You think it's D?
If it
I this or this you're ending up with. Let's see. Let's
Yeah.
see. Good time. Good time. I told you this is a little fun. Let's see. Let's see whether you're right. I don't want to tell whether you're right or wrong. It's interesting though. What is this line, Amma? 4x minus 3. What is that line? Can I say some points on the line? 0, comma minus 3. Is it a point on the line? Right? Right? So,
Miss Priya, that would be on the y-axis.
did I make a mistake? 0. Yes, I made a mistake. Sorry. Okay, 0, comma minus 3 is a point on the line. Let me mark it correct. This is a point on the line, right? 0, comma minus 3, and then put 0 here. What happens? X equal to 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4, comma 0. Can I say this is the point on the line here? Or what would be? Is it this line we are talking about?
Yeah.
I'm going to translate a right 2 units. If I translate right 2 units, what happens? 2 units to the right. So this comes out here, right? This one comes to 2. So basically, what are the points on the line? 2, comma minus 3, and this one would be 2, 3 by 4, right? 2, 3 by 4 is 2, 3 by 4, comma 0. Are you all with me? Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the line. Another way of thinking is which of these points match up this? Meaning substitute x and y and z. Which of these matches this? Let's put 2. If I substitute 2, I should get a minus 3. Substitute 2. I should get a minus 3. I'm getting it here. Substitute 2. I'm getting a 7. Substitute 2 in here. 8 minus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Substitute 2. Get a 3. Which one is correct, you think now? Which one is correct, you think? See, this is a point on the line. So when I substitute 2, I'm expecting a minus 3. Which one is correct?
A?
A is correct. It's interesting, right?
Yeah.
A is correct. But why? Let me see. Y equal to 4x minus 3, correct? Yeah, you all are trying to do right 2 units means you're applying directly here, but this is applying only to y. If you subtract 2 in here, it is like applying to the y coordinate. But they're asking, right means they're asking you to apply on the x alone. So you know what you do? Instead of x, you substitute x minus 2 to the right, right? So right 2 units means x minus 2. Make sense, guys? This is what they're asking you to do. They're asking translated right 2 units means wherever you see x, you're going to plug in x minus 2. That comes in bracket. Make sense, Lasya?
Yeah.
That's a little tricky, definitely. Let's try this one. Whatever, if they ask you to reflect it on the y-axis, you're going to apply. If you're going to reflect something on the y-axis, you have to apply a negation of the x coordinate alone. Make sense, guys? If you're reflecting on the x-axis, you're going to apply negation for the entire equation. You got it? On the y means it's the entire equation. On the x means it's just the x. You got it? Let's see. How about this? Let's see. How about this? It's very interesting. It's very interesting. You're going to try though. We're going to try. If you don't get it, only I'm going to say. What is it? Try, guys. I'm going to let you try, then only say. I don't know. Let's see how good you know this. This is actually interesting for that matter. I'll wait, but think and tell, Ma. This is more of thinking. Not a hard one.
This is a really flat keeps buzzing on my head.
Done, guys? Adyan, did you already answer? Last year, did you already answer me?
Yeah.
No, I don't get it.
Think about it. How did x change? Go one by one, right, Lasya? Y equal to x became y will be equal to minus 4x minus 2. Go one by one. Start from here, I told you, right? Adyan, did you already answer?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good job, Lasya. Adyan, I'm waiting for your answer. Adyan, are you getting Adyan? What did you think is the answer, Adyan?
Isn't it C?
Why it is C? Shift left 4 down 2. Why is a 4 is multiplied, right?
Oh no, I meant
4 is multiplied, right?
yeah, so it would be A.
It is A. Good job. Why, guys? See, x is turning to first minus 4x. So the negation, what happens here? There is y will be equal to, you are applying the negation where you're applying the negation. See, when you think about it, the negation is applied on the y coordinate is completely getting negated. Whatever transformation you underwent, right, everything is negated. So you negated on the y-axis, then stretch by 4, right? And then what did you do? You went down 2. Can I say this one more? Last year you got it, right? Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How about this? Yeah, these are difficult questions, guys, though. Okay. Okay, how about this? It's interesting. This one is interesting and difficult as well. Let's try this one. Try that one. Try that one, guys. See, whenever you reflect across the y-axis, you will have to negate only the x coordinate. Did you get it? Want to know the answer, guys? Lassie, did you get it? Adin, did you get it?
I sent my answer.
Guys, I'm going to assign the homework in the Saturday class. So please do all of the questions, guys. It is a nicely created assignment. Okay. Take your time, do it well. Okay. Please do the assignment on time. When you come back to the next class, you should have done that assignment. Okay, now what was the answer, Lasya? Good job, Lasya. Adin, is it B? Is it P, Adin? You start at 2x minus 9. That is your original. What do you do? Reflect across the y-axis means you have to negate this x. Instead of x, you're going to plug in minus x. Right? It becomes minus 2x minus 9. Then up 5 means you have to add to the entire thing. Right? Now minus 2x minus 4.
So it would be
A.
oh yeah, yeah. I
Got
didn't
it?
I forgot to put that negative. I didn't see that minus 9.
I see. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'll stop here, Lasya. Did you understand good? I think so, but there was a lot taught today. I don't know. Let's see. Try working out the 25 questions I've given in the homework, okay?
Okay.
I'll stop here, guys. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
Have a good job,
Miss
guys.
Priya.
Bye, guys.